In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is memory in ChatGPT. ChatGPT Memory is a feature that lets the assistant retain selected information about you across conversations, so future responses can be more personalized and efficient. Think of it as a small, curated notebook the model keeps just for your ongoing experience. Instead of repeating the same context every time you start a new chat, memory can carry helpful details forward when you want it to. What kinds of things can be remembered? Practical, long-term details you choose to share. That might include your preferences, like whether you prefer formal, concise, or detailed writing. It can also include your favorite tools or workflows, the projects you're actively working on, your career field or hobbies, and long-term context that frequently comes up. If you have goals, you often reference or repeated instructions such as explain things simply. Memory can hold those too. User-provided facts you explicitly ask ChatGPT to remember, and any details that make future conversations smoother are good candidates. Memory is selective by design. It generally avoids storing one-off or temporary details that don't matter later, and it steers clear of highly sensitive personal information. It also doesn't keep everything you say in every conversation. The idea is to remember what genuinely helps, not to archive your entire chat history. There are two related systems at play. First, saved memories are persistent facts the assistant keeps across chats. You can view them, edit them, or delete them whenever you like. Second, there's chat history reference, where the model may use patterns from past conversations to improve responses without creating explicit saved entries. This is separate from saved memories and doesn't automatically become part of your persistent profile. You're fully in control of memory. To manage it, open Settings, go to Personalization, and select Memory. There you can turn memory on or off, view your saved memories, delete specific items you no longer want stored, or clear all memory if you prefer a fresh start. It's a good habit to review what's saved from time to time and keep only what's truly useful. Here's a quick example. Without memory, you'd need to re-explain your preferences every time, such as asking for concise answers or reminding the assistant about a topic you're exploring. With memory enabled, ChatGPT may remember that you like brief summaries or that you're working on a particular subject, so it can respond in a way that fits you right away. That's how memory works: focused, editable, and designed to make your conversations more helpful over time.